years for sports, as employees working at a LEED certified factory and leading away in eco-friendly practice. We have emulated our core values here at the EUROBIKE exhibition.
As you can see, this time around we're paper-free. All our catalogs and pamphlets are available digitally. Just a QR scan.
We thrive on sustainability, ensuring all our materials are digital.
We've also completely cut out plastic, right down to the tokens we hand out to our customers. Everything you need to know about us is right here.
Join us in our commitment to a green future. Welcome to the future. Welcome to sustainability.